Alright, now we're going to show how to fillet a trout. So first I'm going to lay a washcloth down, just a damp washcloth. You can use paper towels as well, but what it does, it just helps the fish from sliding around. Then I'm going to take the fish and I'm just going to break right here so I can kind of pull the head away. Then I'm going to take my knife and I'm just going to stick it in right here behind the rib cage. It's like this. And I'm just going to follow those ribs out just like that. Going down just like this. Right about there, then I'm going to come over to this other side and do the same thing. Okay, then I'm just going to cut here, right behind the head. And I'm just going to take my knife. I'm just going to cut through these bones right here. Just like that. Take the knife, follow the vertebrae straight up, and go right through the back. Around that dorsal fin there. And there's your fillet. Flip it over. Same thing, just lift up there, pull away from the rib cage. Get to those pin bones there. Follow the rib cage down. Come up here. Cut right up past the vertebrae. Take a knife. Alright, I can toss this. Okay, get rid of the washcloth. Now you can clean up the fillet a little, so I'm going to take the rest of this fin off. Take these bottom fins off. There is your 2 trout fillets. Now we're going to go one more on this, and we're going to get rid of all these little pin bones here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my knife, I'm going to find these pin bones. They just lie right here. Take the knife and just cut right alongside them. And I'm just going to cut to the skin. I'm not going to cut through the skin, I'm just going to make an incision following the pin bones right to the skin. Then I'm going to take my knife, go onto the other side, make another cut right on the other side of those bones, just like this. So you have two cuts just like this and this. Then just take your finger and pull that out, and there's all your pin bones right in there. So once again, just find the pin bones. Just like that. Make your other cut right on the other side. Get your finger in. Drag it out, and there is your two completed trout fillets.